The identification division marks the beginning of a COBOL program. The name of the program which you assign will be entered as a statement in the identification division. The environment division contains statements or commands that describe the physical environment in which the program is running. The main use of the environment division is to describe the physical structure of the files that will be used in the program. You won't be working with files in the early lessons, so for now the division will be little used. The data division contains statements describing the data used by the program. The data division and the procedure division are the most important divisions in a COBOL program. They do 95% of the work. The procedure division contains the COBOL statements that the program will execute after the program starts running. The procedure division is the real workhorse of a COBOL program. Without a procedure division, you won't have a program because all the other divisions are used to create the environment and data that are used by the procedure division to do the work. A COBOL program contains 4 divisions: the identification division, the environment division, the data division, and the procedure division. A division can be broken down into paragraphs, and some divisions have required paragraphs, such as the program ID paragraph in the identification division. The names of the paragraphs in the procedure division are assigned by the programmer. The work of a COBOL program is done in sentences that contain the commands of a program and appear within the program. A COBOL program is written in 80-column format. The columns are divided in the following areas. Columns 1 through 6 are the sequence area and can be used by the programmer for line numbering. Line numbering is optional. Column 7 is the indicator area. An asterisk in column 7 causes everything to the right of the asterisk to be treated as a comment. Columns 8 through 11 are Area A. Columns 12 through 72 are Area B. Division names, section names, paragraph names must begin in Area A, but they can extend into Area B. Sentences begin and end in Area B. Columns 73 through 80 are undefined and are not processed by the COBOL compiler. But some COBOL editors use these columns to tag lines with modification codes. Alright, here we have a hello program, hello.cbl. This will be on my GitHub site. I'll have the link in the description to the GitHub site where you can download it and compile it. So the parts of this program, you have the identification division, you have the program ID called hello, the environment division, you have the data division, and procedure division. I have a comment which shows how you compile it. COBC-X-V hello.cbl. You do that on command line. All this program does is display hello world, and then that's in the program begin, and then program done has a stop run. So let's compile this and see. Let me let my machine catch up. Alright, so it compiled. If I type hello, I get the statement hello world. Now let's go on to minimum.cobol. Minimum.cobol is a minimum number of lines that you can have in a COBOL program, and it will compile. So it has identification division, program ID with the name minimum, environment division, it has the data division, procedure division, it has the instructions for compiling it. You have program done and stop run. So let's try this. My machine will catch up with itself. There we go. Hold on. And it compiles. Well, let's do it this way. My machine's been stubborn today. And it run without any errors. It didn't display anything, so we didn't get any output. Alright, let's try a program called display.cbl. I originally created this thing with the name display, but that was generating errors, and it's probably because display is reserved. We're using it down here to actually print text. So it didn't like me using it for the name. So I renamed it to dsp.cbl, and everything was good. So we'll compile it. Compiles good. And I type DSP. And here we get to print out this program contains 4 divisions, 3 paragraphs, and 4 sentences. Okay. So comment.cobol's got several programs, or comments, excuse me, I'm getting tongue-tied. Several comments with the asterisks there in column 7. As you can see in line 600, 700, and 800. Line 600 is the command to compile the program, and then 700 and 800 is just some extra comments that's been added to the program. There we go. We have a good compile. And here we go. We have comment will run, showing the previous messages from the previous program, but it also contains comments in the source code. So here's some sample programs you can look at, play around with, and again, it's going to be on my GitHub repository that you can download these programs, and you won't even have to type them in. You can just download them and compile them and run them.